Right, so adjusting cables on 2-post hoist. This will work for most 2-post hoists, but I'm going to use our C9 as an example. So most common question I get is, my locks sound different, as in I raise up and I get click, click, rather than at the same time. Other one is when I lock it in, I get one side before the other. Super easy adjustment. All it is your cables. So what we want is the same amount of tension on this cable as on that cable. Now, the easiest way to tell how to do this is I could go into a long explanation about which cables are routed which way and adjust which one when. Easiest way is run it up off your lock. Then, if you watch down here, when we drop it, we notice one side lands before the other. Easiest thing to do now is just make an adjustment. So I'm going to adjust this cable. I'm going to tighten this cable. Give it a 3 or 4 flats and then check again. If we have made it closer, then keep going. If you've made it worse, adjust the other side. And then it's a constant balance of test, try, until they end up landing the same. All right, so now that they're all level again, landing at the same time, all you do is just head over, lock up your nuts with a 24mm and a 16mm, just to hold the swage. Just run it tight until the top one starts to spin like that. And lock them up to each other.